Hello, I'm Luca Bianchini, Vice President of Product Management and Sales Support for Laser and Bending at Prima Power. In automotive manufacturing, every second and every square meter count. As the industry advances through electrification, lightweight construction, and modular vehicle design, production models are changing. We are now entering the era of gig efficiency, a new manufacturing dimension where productivity is maximized and space is minimized. It's about doing more, faster, and in less space, without compromising quality or flexibility. The latest generation of 3D laser system, like our Giga Laser Next, combine multi-head processing, synchronized operation, and integrated automation, all within a compact footprint. This results in shorter lead times, optimized workflows, lower total cost of ownership, and full integration with factory logistics, all key factors for long-term competitiveness. Read the full article to learn more about the evolution towards fully integrated manufacturing.